Hello, here's how you can download YouTube video directly on your iPhone using iOS 13. Open YouTube, play the video that you want to download, click on share, copy the link, go to your Safari browser, paste the link here, open this website first, onlinevideoconverter.com, paste the link here, choose the format that you like, MP4 or MP3, let's say MP4, hit on start, wait for it. It's gonna be from 0 to 100%, so you just have to wait. And here we are. So that song was total 7.44 MB. I'm gonna download this. You can long press this download button, hit download linked file, and here we are. It's downloading. Internet's kind of slow, so be patient. And after that, if you want to find that video, hit on search. It's gonna be here in this where we are. Alright, it's uploading to iCloud as well at the same time. But at the same time, if you want to open it, let me see. Let me try to play it. Okay, it's playable. What you can do is you can also move this file from here to your phone memory. Move my iPhone, hit on copy, and boom, on my iPhone. Here we are. And then let's say if you want to share this video across your social media platform.